this video, we're going to be transforming an old plank of wood into a modern rounded coffee table with a super durable and high glossy epoxy finish. Using epoxy on a tabletop gives you a crystal clear finish that lets the beauty of the wood show through. Not only that, but it provides maximum durability and a smooth waterproof finish. One coat of this product is as thick as 75 coats of varnish. I'm starting this project with a rectangular piece of laminated wood and cutting it down to an oval shape with my jigsaw. To get the shape you desire, you can either use a template, an object you have laying around the house, or a pencil and string. Once you have your desired shape cut out, you can move on to sanding the surface. Sanding will get rid of any splinters and get you down to a nice smooth surface. Once the surface is smooth, wipe it down with a tack cloth to ensure you have removed all the dust that has been created from sanding. Next, we move on to the epoxy. You will want to ensure your workspace is completely covered with a disposable drop cloth and your tabletop is elevated. We are using Varathane's Bar and Table Clear Finish, which is an easy-to-use product. The kit comes with 2 bottles. Part A is the resin and Part B is the activator. To use the product, combine equal parts of resin and activator into a container and mix gently, but thoroughly for about 3 to 5 minutes. Overstirring can cause the resin mixture to create heat and air bubbles, so we want to make sure that we don't overstir. Once mixed, epoxy begins to harden quickly with a working time of about 25 minutes. Pour the resin directly onto the surface and use a plastic spreader or rubber squeegee to move the product around to get full coverage. Use a high-quality brush to ensure all sides are properly coated. Once the surface is fully covered, you'll start to see surface bubbles arise. These need to be removed while the resin is still wet. Here I'm using a torch, but if you have a heat gun or a blow dryer, those will work just as well. Hold the torch about 4 to 6 inches away and use a gentle sweeping motion, and you will see the bubbles disappear. If you want to add another coat, wait for the epoxy to set for at least 4 to 5 hours in a dust-free area before repeating the steps. After about 3 days, the surface will be fully cured. Flip it over and sand off any drops you see underneath. And there you have it, your tabletop is done. I purchased some black hairpin legs to complete the look, screwed them in, and now the table is complete. Get ready to sit back and enjoy your new coffee table.